Hello everyone, I'm George, introducing you to Rhynotel's free PBX UCP, the browser-based control panel for your phone and extension. So let's go ahead and log in and get started. This is what you see when you first log in. Remember that your username is always your extension and your password will be what you use to access everything on your phone, including voicemails. So let's get started by creating a new dashboard. So you can create a new dashboard from a blank slate by clicking one anywhere in the middle section here, or you can click the plus button at the top right corner. Let's go ahead and name this one main, so that way I know which one is our main view. And just in case, let's create a secondary dashboard. Let's call this one call info. Alright, now after we've done that, we click create dashboard. And so from here now you can switch between each individual dashboard, and you can make as many as you want. You can take them away at any point in time, you can edit them, or you can lock them by clicking the icons here in the top right corner. So let's stick with the main for now, and let's go ahead and add some widgets. So we can add widgets by clicking the plus arrow over here. And when you click the add widget button, it'll show you a list of all the individual dashboard widgets and the sidebar widgets, which we'll get to those widgets in a bit. So let's get started with the dashboard widget. So on the main, let's go ahead and add, let's say, our contacts. And then when you add each individual widget by clicking the plus icon, it'll show up on the main bar. So let's add a few more. So now we've got our contacts. Let's add another one. Let's go do not disturb. Yeah, so let's click the plus button here for do not disturb. And if you scroll down even further, it'll add even more options. So you have options such as call forwarding, call waiting, call history, call events, contacts, do not disturb, presence, voicemail, and others depending on how your organization is set up. So let's add presence. So click the plus bar for presence. Okay. And now you can adjust the size of any of these widgets at any point in time, just like you normally would in a browser on your Windows menu. So let's scroll and move it here. And notice the other widgets will react to it and move around depending on how you want your widgets to be set up. You can move them any way you want, just like that. So let's make this presence bar a little bit bigger. And there you go. Snap it back into place just like that. So let's go into the other widget. Let's say our call info. Let's say we just want this one to tell us what our call situations are like. So let's click the add widgets. So we can add call forwarding. Okay. Let's add call, actually let's add call history. Call history. And we'll add call waiting. All right. And so same rules apply. You can move and adjust these widgets any way that you want. So fully customizable interface. Okay, so let's go back to main. And now that this is done, if you end up not needing any of these widgets at any point in time, you can just click the X bar right at the middle, and it'll ask you if you want to delete the widget. You just click accept. Or you can lock the widget. Boom. And so now that cannot be adjusted, moved, or changed. So now that we've done that, let's talk about sidebar widgets. So let's go ahead and go back to the plus button and go to sidebar widgets. These widgets will actually show up specifically on the left side. They don't show up on the main dashboard. So from here, let's go ahead and add a sidebar widget. So let's add presence. So add presence, click that there. And now you'll see that it's actually added to the sidebar widgets here, just at a quick glance. And so now we'll go to here. From there, and there's your do not disturb. So now you don't have to look for the widget on the main screen. You can toggle do not disturb between here, just like that. And just like the other widgets, you can remove it at any time by going all the way down the bottom, clicking remove widget, and it's gone. Now your dashboard is ready to go. You can use this to quickly set up primary functions for your phone from your computer browser. My most used widgets are the call forwarding and the voicemail and the contacts widgets, so I can clearly see what I'm setting without having to go through my phone's menu. So, once again, I'm George from Rhynotel. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more guides and in-depth explanations of the UCP's functionality. Take care.